Appalachian. Now repeat after me. Appalachian. Appalachian. Meaning. Appalachian refers to anything related to the Appalachian Mountains, a range in the eastern United States known for its scenic beauty and cultural history. It also describes the people, culture, and traditions of the Appalachian region. She grew up in a small Appalachian town nestled in the mountains. Here, Appalachian refers to a place within the Appalachian Mountains. Let's try another example. The Appalachian Trail is a famous hiking route stretching over 2,000 miles. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using Appalachian. Synonyms. Some related terms for Appalachian are mountainous, related to mountain regions. Rural, referring to countryside areas, often like those in Appalachia. Antonyms. The opposite of Appalachian would be urban, related to city areas, as opposed to mountainous rural regions. Flatland refers to lowland regions without mountains. Part of speech. Appalachian is an adjective describing something or someone related to the Appalachian Mountains and region. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.